Imagine you want to find all the subscriptions where they have ordered some specific product, either because it has sold out, because there has been some problem with the product release you need to report, or for any other reason. You would normally have to go through the subscriptions one by one, which would be too tedious and time-consuming. To help you with this task, we'll show you how you can search for all active WooCommerce subscriptions containing specific products quickly with the WooCommerce Order Spreadsheet plugin. This plugin displays all subscriptions in an intuitive spreadsheet that allows you to do advanced searches, edit any field in hundreds of subscriptions, export and import them quickly from your computer to WordPress. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. Once you install and activate the WooCommerce Orders Spreadsheet plugin, you'll need to configure the WooCommerce subscription spreadsheet. To do this, go to the Plugin Setup Spreadsheet section, and select the subscription spreadsheet. Then, click on Save. Now we can select the columns we want to display in the spreadsheet. On this side, we show all the columns that will be displayed in the spreadsheet. And on this side the ones that will be hidden. When you have finished selecting the columns, save the settings to generate the spreadsheet. You'll now see the subscriptions displayed in the spreadsheet. Each row is a subscription, and each column is a field. To search for all active subscriptions by ordered products, you have to start by opening the search tool. Once the tool is open, you can either filter all subscriptions that contain all the products you enter, or find all subscriptions that contain at least one of the products. In this case, we'll select this option. Now we'll enter the products here. Then we must enable the advanced filters. Select the status field. Now leave equal as the operator. And choose active here. Finally, run the search, and the results will be displayed in the spreadsheet. Now that you have searched for all subscriptions containing specific products, you can edit the information you want or export them to Excel or Google Sheets. Definitely, the WooCommerce Orders Spreadsheet plugin helps you save a lot of hours by allowing you to search and edit thousands of subscriptions with a few clicks. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.